Hello everyone, welcome to our Secondary 3 Chem 3 group presentation. My name is Catherine, and here in Yangon campus we have 6 members, including Larry, Nancy, Ellie, Kyle, and Luca, and including me too. So firstly, let's look at here. We have chemical separation methods, and we've come up with 8 methods, which are filtration, evaporation, simple distillation, which is used to separate liquids with different boiling points, fractional distillation, chromatography, crystallization, electrolysis, and lastly we have magnetic separation. Among these 8 methods, we'll be doing simple distillation and electrolysis today. For simple distillation, we've written down the procedure. We have 8 steps here. The same for electrolysis, we have 8 steps here, and also this is the chemical equation for electrolysis. For more details and step-by-step, Larry and Ellie will be explaining.
Hi everyone, my name's Larry. So let's start with electrolysis. The first step we're gonna do is put brine solution, which is sodium chloride solution, into a electrolysis suitable container. The second that we're gonna do is put an electrode into the solution, which can either be a graphite electrode or a platinum electrode. And then we're gonna connect the electrodes to a DC power supply by using wires. The positive electrode is going to be the anode, while the negative electrode is going to be the cathode. And then what we're gonna do is switch on the power of the battery to allow the solution to gain electrical current. And then at the cathode, we will see hydrogen being produced, which is observed by bubbles being produced. And in the anode, we will see chlorine gas, which is being produced. And lastly, after the experiment, the remaining solution will become sodium hydroxide, which is an alkaline solution. If we were to test the gases, which is mentioned in the electrolysis, we will collect them in test tubes. Now, I'll be handing Ali to explain about distillation.
Today, we will be demonstrating simple distillation as stated earlier. So this is the whole setup for simple distillation. We have round bottom flask, a joint to connect the condenser and the flask, and a conical flask to collect the pure water, the product produced. And this is the water out, and this is water in. So firstly, simple distillation is used to separate 2 liquids with different boiling points, especially separating water from an impure water solution. So in the round bottom flask, we have the impure water solution, and then under the round bottom flask, it is heated by a Bunsen burner as shown, and when it reaches 100 degrees Celsius, the water will boil, evaporate, and it will go up to the joint, and through the condenser, the water vapor will condense back into pure water, and it will be collected in the conical flask. So usually, simple distillation is used to separate pure water from seawater in real life. This is a very useful process that is really essential for everyone, and it's used very, very frequently.
As you can see here, this is electrolysis. The wires are connected to a 9-volt battery, and the solution in the beaker is sodium chloride. And in the red wire, this is the anode, which you can see bubbles being produced. This is hydrogen. And at the black wire, anode produces less bubbles, while at the cathode, you can see hydrogen gas, which is there are a lot of bubbles there. As you can see, this is electrolysis. The beaker contains sodium chloride solution, and it's connected to wires with a 9-volt battery. At the black wire, you can see that there are a lot of bubbles, meaning that this is the cathode, and hydrogen gas is being produced. While at the anode, less gas is being produced. This is due to it being chlorine gas.
So this is the round bottom flask, and as you can see here, this is a salt plus water solution. So when it's heated from the Bunsen burner, the water and salt solution will the water will only evaporate when it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. It will go up to the joint, and to here in this condenser, the water will be cooled back into the water vapor will be cooled back into liquid form, and through here it will be collected as pure water. This is the end of our practical. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.